Good morning, dear students. I'm Shoynazarova. I'm going to explain you about flowering plant. Look at the picture, please. Flowering plant divides into two parts. First part is root system and second part is shoot system. Look at the root system first. The roots of plants serve several purposes. The primary purpose of the root is to provide a means whereby the plant can absorb water and nutrients from the soil. The fine root hairs lie in close contact with the soil particles, and under favorable conditions, water and plant nutrients pass through the semi-permeable membrane of the plant cell to be transported to the leaf, where they enter into the most interesting factory, where the raw materials of nature are elaborated into foodstuffs for human and animal nutrition. The root also serves an anchor or support for the plant. In many instances, the root is an important storage organ. This may serve to carry the plant through an unfavorable environmental period such as winter. About stem. The plant stem, which differs greatly in the various species, serves as a connection between root and leaf. Frequently, the stem is so intimately associated with the leaf that it is difficult to differentiate them. The stem supports the leaves and flowers, parts of most plants, and aids in getting up into the sunlight. As a passageway for water and minerals to the leaf, for manufacture of organic materials and the transport of these manufactured products to other parts of the plant. The stem has the most important function. The stem, like the root, may serve as the most important storehouse of energy. About leaf. Frequently, it is difficult to differentiate between leaf and stem. In many respects, they are alike. Particularly in the early stages of development, it would require careful examination to separate the two tissues. The leaf may be considered as serving two major functions. First function of leaf is it is factor of the plant. Second is it is source of nutritive materials. Scattered over the surface of the leaf are numerous small openings known as stomata. Each microscopic opening enables the carbon dioxide of the atmosphere to enter the leaf, where it is dissolved in water that has been transported from the root. Green bodies, known as chloroplasts, are specialized structure through which the energy of the sun is brought to man. Please focus on the glossary of the scene. Chloroplast, bindweed, conspicuous, inconspicuous, stamen, anther, stalk, self, filament, ovary, oval, stigma, tassel, silk, bride. Please try to answer these following questions. First, what are the main part of the plant? What does the plant stem serve for? What parts of the plant serve as a storehouse of energy? What are the main functions of the leaf? And what are the essential parts of the flower? What are the male parts of the flower? And what is the female organ of a flower? Now you learned about structure of a flowering plant. You may practice it naturally in your own gardens. Please pay attention your homework. You should translate these sentences into Uzbek. First sentence: wheat is grown more widely than any other crops. Second sentence: fertilizers have already been applied to this soil. Third sentence: between 200 and 300 pounds of water are transpired from the leaves of plants for every pound of dry matter produced. Fourth sentence: a relatively low moisture content in the plough depths of soil favors a well-developed root system. I think it is understandable for you. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.